Is it any good to buy Alienware X17 R2 refurbished unit straight out from Dell factory outlet UK website? Let's find out together. Hello everyone, welcome back to my brand new unboxing video. In today's unboxing video we are going to unbox Alienware X17 R2 laptop. I bought this laptop from Dell outlet UK website, and this unit been refurbished by Dell. So let me show you some of the configuration information on my computer screen. Guys, I'm on the Dell outlet UK website. There's one more system available for sale, which is have a same configuration. The price is £3,414 with a similar configuration the one I got. So they have a same warranty as the new one. The only thing is the box gonna be not gonna be original Alienware box, is gonna be brown Dell box, and the charger gonna be the old 330 watt big charger. So you will not get original brand new box, you will always get the brown Dell box, but you will get the same booklets, everything same in this box, same warranty package, premium warranty for 12 months, which you go as a same brand new item. So they refurbish on their factory and sold on their factory outlet side, so they have their own same warranty and same packaging and everything part of the box. So let's open this one. So as you can see, there's some booklets in there. So as I said, the box is different, the packing is different, because it's supposed to be in a black box, which is a nice presentation on if you see some other unboxing video, but I bought on outlet side, so outlet box is same like that and packaging is different. So this is the actual Alienware X17 laptop. Beautiful premium feeling. It's feel like a plastic, but it's a premium high quality plastic. Bottom panel also is plastic. You can see some ventilation, honeycomb ventilation on the both side. So let me put this laptop on a side for a second and we'll see what else in the box. There's a big trick of 330 watt charger. If you buy the brand new one on the Dell website, the charger form factor is smaller, 330 watt, but with this unit it comes with a bigger charger. And also there is a power cable in there. So this is a beautiful Alienware X17 laptop. There's 17 been written on the top lid. There's a alien head logo that will be light up. Let's talk about the ports first. So if you see on the right side of the laptop, there's some ventilation for the airflow, and there's a headphone jack on a corner. On the back side there's more heat dissipation ventilation, and there's a Thunderbolt port in here, USB 3.0, Ethernet cable, and another Thunderbolt with the power delivery, HDMI, another 3.0 USB, and micro SD card slot and display port. And on the left side there's more ventilation and plug-in connector, power connector. On the front side there's a speaker, front facing speaker, and also there's a bottom fire speaker as well, so you will get sound on the bottom side and the front side. So there is, guys, beautiful Dell Alienware X17 R2 with high specification. So it's been turned on by itself. So this one have a Windows 11 pre-installed, so I will set up quickly this one and then I'll show you more information. So guys, I have set up everything and I log into my account and everything, so it's ready to use. So as you can see, on the trackpad is quite smaller, and it is a glass trackpad but is it's not light up anymore like previous versions of R1 and M17 and Alienware 17 previous version like 2019-20 model and also the previous version. But here trackball also is smaller. So this is Alienware FX Parkey RGB lighting keyboard, and there's some ventilation on the top like a honeycomb, very beautiful, and the power button is a alien head logo, and there's some more ventilation on the side of the keyboard and the beautiful screen panel. So let's check inside the internal. So on the back panel there's 8 screw to open up. It's quite easy to open, very easy, just like that. And there's a 87 watt hour battery inside. There's 4 fans for the heatsink. There's a 2 slot for M.2. I upgraded one of them with the 2 terabyte of Gen 4 SSD because there was a Gen 3 inside both of them, so I upgraded one of them. And there's 2 underneath this black cover. There's a 32 gigabyte memory, so both of them is 32 each, so gonna be 64. And there's a Wi-Fi card slotted on the board as well. And the heatsink other side of this board, if you want to repeat for some reason, so you have to open up everything, dismantle all the fans and the motherboard from the heatsink to repiece. Both of the laptop Alienware X17 R2 2022 model and Razer Blade 17 Pro earlier 2020 model, both side by side comparison. As you can see, both of the laptop have nearly similar length size, but Alienware X17 are a little bit wider than Razer Blade because of the ventilation of the back of the laptop. The height is the same as well, as you can see, but the difference between both laptop is the ventilation on the Alienware X17 R2 is bit wider, at least 2-inch wider than Razer Blade 17 Pro 2020 model. As you can see, both of the laptop have RGB lighting keyboard. So Alienware X17 R2 have standard FX Alienware keyboard, which is and the Razer Blade have a normal keyboard. Both of the keyboard are really good. I do like the Razer Blade keyboard also, but Alienware X17 keyboard are amazing. You will definitely enjoy when you are playing game. You can use the Alienware lighting command center. You can choose the keyboard lighting. You can customize your keys. Same in here on Razer Blade. You can use the Snap Razer lighting software to control your keyboard lighting, and also the back logo. Same in here on Alienware X17. As you will see, the logo light up, and also there's a bar on the back. You can see here the bar can be customized with the multicolor or whatever color you want to choose, and it is amazing. So I'm going to compare the Alienware sound with the Razer Blade 17 Pro with 2020 model. The Razer Blade is sound better and louder than Alienware X17 R2 2022 model. So let's compare the audio both. So both of the laptop volume set to the 80%. So let's test first of all X17 R2.
I just wish you knew. I just wish you knew.
So Alienware X17 R2 sound is more like a bass to the sound, and the Razer Blade is bit louder and clearer. So I prefer the sound to the Razer Blade 17 Pro because it's clear and louder while you are playing the game. You're listening to music is more, you can hear everything clearly, and the speaker is facing upward compared to the Alienware X17 R2. The speaker sound is not so great, and also the speaker grill is facing forward and downward, which is reduce the sound as well. Here is both of the laptop benchmark score from Geekbench 5 score side by side. Alienware X17 R2 CPU benchmark is single core performance 1691 and multi-core 12910. Razer blade only single core is 801 and multi-core is 3164. And also the Alienware X17 R2 Geekbench 5 score for the GPU is 150,750 and the Razer blade only 27,658. On Alienware Command Center, I will guide you a little bit. And this is the Alienware Command Center software where you can customize and overclock your CPU and GPU performance, and you can change the thermal setting, power setting, and you can choose your sound setting in here. There's a few options been given here: library, FX Fusion. There's on the top corner there's a thermal balance. You can choose. You can change the setting in here in the bottom. As you can see, next to the active default theme, you can choose any of them, and you can customize your laptop. There's a few settings already been given: overclock 01, overclock 02. I never been tested yet. And there's a thermal performance. You can change that one as well. You can put on performance or battery saving or full speed, quiet or balance. You can choose whatever you prefer in here if you have a Alienware X17, and you can change the power delivery to the performance or the on our balance. Here Dolby sound system, you can use this software to customize your sound. If you're listening to music or watching movie or playing a game, you can customize your sound with the Dolby software as well. And I will change. You can also change the light mode to the dark mode. This option also available on top left corner. You can customize your keys, lighting, key lighting, and here we can select the zones, all zone, our alien head logo, our keyboards. We can change the colors, and also we can change the color of back of the led. There's another alien head logo and light bar which is on the thermal grills. You can change the colors on that one. So guys, we'll finish our unboxing video here. I did share with you some of the information on my computer screen, some of the benchmark. I haven't played any game on this one yet because I have to install. On this one I mostly play on PlayStation, so I hardly play some games on the laptop, but I mainly use this laptop for rendering and video editing. So I will be doing some testing in next coming weeks, and whenever I'm recording some vlogs and I'm making some game walkthrough videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my other YouTube channel, Towheed GameX, please do subscribe on that channel as well to watch all the game walkthrough video. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section. And I will see you in next video with another unboxing video. So thank you very much for watching.